Good morning. This is Scott from Main Oven Craft. I wanted to quickly go over uh, a gas-fired modification slash upgrade for a Model 120 mobile trailer that we have here. This is not a standard upgrade for us, but we're considering it. The burner control assembly is mounted here on the fender, which that mount is actually up onto the frame, and that can be mounted on the other side. We've maintained the rotational capability on this oven, though it can't actually rotate unless the burner tube, which is on the far side, is disconnected and the wires connecting up to the thermocouple are also disconnected. But in that case, if everything's disconnected, you can rotate the oven in 90-degree increments, re-secure it, and then remount your control module, whether it's on this side or on the driver's side of the trailer. It does offer you the opportunity, if the oven is going to be used in multiple locations with different requirements for the door positioning, to go through that process, but it will be a little bit time consuming to reestablish and reattach the wires below, and you will have to take out the burner assembly, like I said. So really quickly, I just wanted to go through the operation of the burner. The burner control module has a master off button on the side, which you need to toggle on. And once it boots up, you'll see your ambient temperature, which is a single probe in the hearth, which is about 2.5 inches down. And the flame status is off. Once you push this on button, we're going to go up and pan up and watch the burner. It'll go into ignition, and then it'll fire off. In this case, because our set point, which you'll see here, is going to be around 250, 251 as an example, it's going to automatically go into boost mode, full dual flame power, all the way up to 6 with both burners. And it would do that until our set point temperature is satisfied. So let's go ahead and fire it on, and you can hear the burners. One burner, two burners. And we can go back down and look at this, and you can see that all 6 positions are lit up, meaning that the flame is at its highest possible point. This button here is your second flame. If we push that, we'll lose the first flame, and we'll only have one. To turn it off, super simple. That, and then realistically, if you were leaving it overnight, you would just toggle off the master too. Very, very basic. This oven in transit, we're going to disconnect the burner tube, we're going to disconnect the wires, take off this control module, put it in the truck, and we're going to move the oven door to the rear location for transit. This application realistically would be something where you wouldn't be moving the oven constantly. For us, we know that our rotational system underneath this oven is reliable and strong, and if this oven were to ever be resold and the client didn't want to use gas, you could simply remove the burner tube, remove that control module, put the cap on the burner tube that remains inside, and use it as a wood-fired oven. No problem. The rotation is completely intact and could be used going forward. So we're excited to pass this along to Nantucket Golf Club, and we'll get some pictures when it's on site.